Hello, this video is how to create incremental sales working with voucher code affiliates. They're too long, didn't read. Top tips are the following. Only use voucher codes that create incremental value for the business. For example, codes that require a minimum spend above the usual average order value for a customer to receive a discount. Number two, create vouchers that appeal to different types of audience and base the rationale for any discounts off of information that you know about your audience. Only work with a voucher affiliate if you feel it's suitable for your brand. There are no obligations to work with voucher affiliates within the affiliate industry, and there are many other affiliate types for you to work with. Work with a few quality partners that have a relevant audience for your business. Try dividing vouchers into new and existing customer incentives, where you may want more aggressive incentives to acquire new customers and to take a different approach to get repeat customers to come back and purchase again. Lastly, incentives don't have to be money off. You can be creative. For example, you could offer a discount on different products, items, gifts. The choice is really yours, and you can be very creative in how you offer discounts. So, on to the main session. The purpose is to understand how to create incremental value from voucher code affiliate partners, where we're going to cover rules for creating value and practical examples. First, we'll look at what voucher code affiliates are and how they work. In essence, a voucher code affiliate is a website or environment, such as an app, that offers discounts on brands to consumers. What a voucher code affiliate will do is they will first go out into the marketplace and begin to list different offers that advertisers have and are promoting. They will then seek to make partnerships with those advertisers through an affiliate relationship. They will then seek through those partnerships to monetize those offers by having the affiliate tracking in them, whereby they start to receive a commission if they help influence someone to make a purchase. Lastly, a voucher code affiliate will do their own marketing to get more traffic and consumers to visit and use their website. So, for the consumer, what consumers will typically do is go to a search engine and query a brand discount. They will then browse through those results and likely stumble upon a voucher code affiliate. They will then visit their website, find the offer they want, and will then click through to the advertiser's website, find something they want to buy, and then go and purchase. The reason why consumers use voucher codes and why they find value from voucher code affiliates is to meet a need of either saving money or achieving a sense of value from using a code when making a purchase. Now, on to the rules for creating value. Firstly, the golden rule, which is to only offer a discount where the customer takes a valuable and incremental action. This model displays what that means. Firstly, the business should identify something that is valuable for a customer to do, and then also work out what's valuable on the customer's end in terms of an incentive. The next stage is to then move on to the incentive stage, where these incentives are decided. Next is a value exchange, where the business gets something incremental from the customer, and the customer gets something incremental or valuable rather from the business. Lastly is the value stage, where both parties receive some sort of valuable outcome. Here is a practical example. At the assessment stage, the business is seeking a higher than average order value from the customer. The customer is seeking a reward for spending money. The business will then offer a spend and save incentive, and then the business will identify that the customer wants money off. So, at the exchange stage, what the business decides to do is to offer £5 off on spends over £75. We then, at the value stage, see that the £75 spend is £15 higher than a typical average spend from a customer. There you go. By offering that £5 off, the business is getting a £10 incremental increase on basket value. The customer is also receiving some form of value from being rewarded for spending more than the average customer would. The benefits of this approach are that, number one, it by default helps to create incremental voucher codes. Those voucher codes are then margin safe because the business in that example was increasing the average amount of customer spending, meaning that there was more margin from that sale. It's also brand safe because rather than offering discounts such as 10%, 15%, and 20% off, it's only linked to spend and save, whereby customers are required to do something valuable and is not typically seen as discounting in the same way that offering a 10 or 15% off discount is. It's also flexible. The model above can be tweaked and applied in different ways, and different businesses can accordingly change things to create incremental value depending on their needs. So then, now we have a model and understand how vouchers work. How do we go and find voucher code affiliate partners? Well, what we want to do is find a few quality partners with a wide coverage of the majority of the voucher code shopping audience of a relevant location. What that means is we're looking for two things: quality and coverage. In quality, we're looking for affiliates that are highly responsive, care about their brand, have a good looking website, and take their own branding seriously, and also have the ability to target the audience that we want. Next, in terms of coverage, we're looking for those affiliates to have a wide audience and a relevant audience. We're looking for a few partners that have the maximum amount of market share that we can get in terms of the audience we want to target. And we're also looking for that affiliate to have a relatively loyal audience that keep using their website. So the easiest way to find these affiliates is to work with an affiliate network who are likely to already have partners that meet the criteria of most businesses on their books. However, these partners can be found manually by using a search engine. With an affiliate network, you can search their directory, or you can search through some form of other application they may have, or you can ask them for what's called a gap analysis, where they'll provide you with a list of relevant and suitable affiliates. If you're going to search manually, use search engines, use apps, or any other form of application or environment where consumers will be searching for vouchers or other incentives. Next, how do we manage and get the most out of voucher code affiliates? Well, it's on the brand to communicate the offers and to also police them, ensuring that the correct offers are on an affiliate site at all times. So there are two elements to this: opportunity and compliance. In terms of opportunity, the brand will want to have the best relationship possible with the affiliate and will want to have as clear as possible communication with the affiliate to ensure that the correct offers are presented at the right times and the brand's presented in the right light. Using different forms of commercials, for example, higher CPA or a more competitive CPA than other competitors may offer, will also help to create opportunities. Those opportunities will come through different forms of media that the affiliate may want to offer. For example, a feature on the homepage of a voucher site that has millions of visitors every month could dramatically improve performance, thus creating the opportunity for more sales. In regards to compliance, brands will want to audit their voucher affiliates. I'd recommend at least twice or more a week. They'll want to carefully approve who they work with, and they'll also want to monitor what the search engine landscape looks like. For example, what are affiliates putting in their headers or the body of search results when they're talking about the brand in question. Next, onto management are the different commercial models and means of working with voucher affiliates. The usual is a cost per acquisition, or CPA, which the CPA can be increased, for example, to get additional media from a voucher code affiliate. Brands can also offer limited PPC rights. I recommend a whitelist set of terms that affiliates can bid on. And by allowing an affiliate to bid on those terms, they may then exchange that for preferential media or treatment. Brands can offer an exclusive discount, meaning only one affiliate can promote it. And again, in the same way, that can be used to gain preferential media or treatment. And lastly, brands can pay in advance, combined with a CPA, to purchase particular media from an affiliate. On to budget and investment. Voucher partners are highly likely to work on a CPA-only basis. However, some media may be locked behind prepayment. So how should brands go about understanding what media is worth purchasing? Well, firstly, two components are to test and to learn. Firstly, a brand should see what they can get from just a CPA increase, and also should test the impact different vouchers and incentives have on performance. Once a brand understands that, they could then start to experiment with exclusive codes and PPC rights. And next, the brand could experiment with prepayment. On the learn side of things, it's important brands understand what their baseline performance is before they start investing in any media. That way, there's something to make a logical comparison from when media is purchased. Brands should understand where sales are coming from. So, for example, was it a homepage feature on a voucher site that led to an increase in sales? Or was it because affiliate was given an exclusive code? Or was it because they were given PPC rights? It's important that those things are understood, which leads to the last point, which is about all understanding how a CPA increase, an exclusive voucher code, PPC rights, or prepayment or impact any uplift in performance. In summary then, only use voucher codes that create incremental value. Create vouchers that appeal to different types of audiences. Only work with a voucher affiliate if it's suitable for your brand. Work with a few quality partners that have a relevant audience. Try dividing vouchers into new and existing customer incentives. And incentives do not have to be money off. You can be creative with what you offer. My details are there if you have any questions or queries, and you can also check out my book, The Advertiser's Guide to Affiliate Marketing, which is available on Amazon if you need more help. I'd appreciate if you like, subscribe, and share. And if you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment below, and thanks for watching.